Hi, in this quick video, I'm going to show you how you change the pricing in Kartra. So it could be that you're new to Kartra, you've just set up your account, you've gone to create a product and you realize actually it's in dollars and it's not in pounds. So you need to go into your settings and change the currency in there. So this is how it's done. So within Kartra, just go down to the left-hand side, click on settings, click on account settings, and it will bring you here. And you'll see that in this case, the currency is in dollars. Actually, we want this to be in pounds sterling because we are based in the UK. So we want to change that. Click on save. And then whenever you go into sales again and go into products and you go to create a product, the price will actually be in pounds and not in dollars. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more hints and tips.